All right, last trade of the day, we're gonna take micros. We had a huge push down at 130 that we missed because I wasn't looking at it. Now we're just looking to see if we push back down to that area there. $400 is our take profit, which is way down here. We're not gonna push all the way back down there. I mean, it's a maybe, but definitely not. So let's see, that's $1, $2, $3. So that's a $3 push. That'll take us to 589. I mean, it's possible, but I don't really think we're gonna fall $3 right now. But we just fell $3 earlier, so who's to say? Who is to say? I think we're actually trying to climb back up. But if we can stay in this area and push down by about $1 or $2, we can still get ourselves a couple $100 out of this. But it looks like we're reaching for that 200 EMA for the 1 minute here. Let's check out the 5 minute. 5 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes is way higher. 15 minutes. 15 minutes is way down here. That would be a nice pullback, and we did shoot all the way up there. I'd like to see it. I'd like to see at least 200 out of this. We're looking for 4. What time is it? 2:19. So we already missed the 2 o'clock move. 12:30. 2 o'clock was to the upside. We're heading to the 2:30 move right now. We're just looking for this right here. We're just looking for a $7 move in our favor. Well, that's only $3, $4 or $5 right there. But a $7 move in our favor would be nice. Say we break this level here. We're gonna find out in a second either way. We're looking for one last big sell-off from this area towards the 15 minutes 200 EMA. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, well, let's do something. It's almost 2:30. I'm gonna pause. I don't want you guys to miss it. I'm gonna let the video run for as long as this takes, right? And what I'm going to do is just not talk over it. So basically, our goal is down here at the 15 minutes 200 EMA. We're pushing down to it now. Close this out for a second. All right, the RSI is actually in our favor. RSI is down here. It's in our favor. We had the pull down from up there. We're playing the lower end right now. We just want to see it come back through this candle. We see it come back through this candle, we can get ourselves a quick $200, $150. And it looks like we're about to break down now. So I'm ready for that. I'm ready to lock in at any point in time. Oh, I do need to open up a manual close. So open the manual close. Take this to this point right here. And we're going to get out at 74 is where we're looking to lock profit. So if we can get down into, let's see, another 10, 20, 30, 40 cent. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense for us to go down to about 591.40, which is right about here. Go down through that candle basically. If we can break all the way to the 200, that'd be excellent. But we're already at $115 on a micro trade, so we're looking to lock profit here as soon as possible. We want to see if we get held up at the 60s. If we get held up at the 60s and we can't break through, then we will go ahead and give up on the play and take profit here at $110. 115. Can we get to 120? I'm ready to close at any time, guys. I'm not gonna play with it. That jump was bad, but if we can get down to 50 cent, then I'll stay in the play. 3, 2, 1. We almost took profit there. Can't play with us like that. Can't play with us like that. All right, cool. So that's why you got to give yourself a little room to breathe. That's why the micros are so dope. You can just let it breathe and let it run. We're at 130 right here. That is a little bit of support. I don't know where all my lines are. Oh, because I'm in micros. Can we get to 50 cents? If we can get 50 cents, then I will stay in the play. Closing out. I'm taking the 115. Don't care what happens. If it goes back up, cool. If it goes back down, cool. We are at $2,000 on the day, guys. $2,000. $2,037 is what we're at today. I want you guys to see this. I came back in here so that you guys could see this. Look, we got out right here. It went all the way back, even higher than our entry point. Always, 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 if you have the opportunity to lock in some money, lock in the money. Do not sit here and play and hold and hold and hold these day trades and these swing and these scalps thinking like it might go lower, it might go lower, it might go lower. It might not, and it may turn on you very aggressively like you're seeing right now. We got out way down here a full $10 ago. We got out $10 ago. Not cents, not 50, not 30, not 40 cents. $10 ago is when we exited. That is a full $10 move that you would have been trapped in, and you would have lost all the money that you just got. Okay, so as we come to the end of another video, we're going to go over some accuracy tips and things like that, and just help you guys realize that accuracy is not the most important thing. The most important thing for our take home is $4,672. And you're asking, how can I have a 54% accuracy when I have $4,000 of $6,000 left? And that's very, very simple, guys. I run a very, very tight risk management. I only allow it to go $2 against me to $3 against me on average. And that's only when I'm not sure. Okay, so let's break it down. 24 trades, $6,000. Our largest winning trade was 2,200. So of the 6,000, 2,200 was done on one trade. Our average winning trade, though, was 277. Very good, right? Now, this is how you manage your trading when you're winning versus when you're losing. When I'm winning $277. Look at my average losing trade. My largest loss trade is only $10 more than my average win. My average losing trade is almost $200 less than my wins, and that's how I stay on top. Okay, the max drawdown that I've ever seen was negative 512, and that was on the trade where we took in $2,000. So that was to be expected. When you're doing a larger trade, you're going to have a larger max drawdown. You're going to have a larger stop loss. On that trade, my stop loss was $750. We went down to negative $500 plus whatever the fee is. So I guess negative $512.82. And then we went up to $2,250. But that's how I do it. It's not about being accurate. It's about managing the risk. It's about risk versus reward. And when you are right, capitalizing on being right. It doesn't matter if I'm trading micros, doesn't matter if I'm trading minis, doesn't matter if I'm perfectly 100% accurate, because I've had 100% weeks, I've had 20% weeks, and the 20% of trades where I lost 8 trades of 10 trades, but my 2 trades were amazing that I did win. So it's not all about accuracy, it's all about capitalizing when you are right, and then minimizing the risk when you're wrong. Losing an average of $100 over 20 trades is wild. We're less than $2,000 on 20 trades. We get in, we find out we're wrong, we get out. Longest winning trade, 14 minutes. That's where I got the 2K. Longest losing trade, 9 minutes. That's where I lost the 287. And it usually works like that. Usually that's in the middle of the night as well. But majority of these trades came on 4:30 in the morning, as you can see right here, ending today at 2:24. And that's all of our trades for this week so far on these accounts. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much for checking out the video. This has been another full transparency trading session where I am your host, Sebastian. As always, take the easy money, but more importantly, take your damn profits.